Hi guys, welcome back to Ritu's kitchen. So today we'll make for house parties appetizer. For this appetizer, no need to cook so many things. It's very easy and very less time consuming. So without wasting any time, let's move on to our recipe. And today we'll make salsa, simple salsa for the chips. And enjoy your drinks. For the salsa, we need everything diced, small dices, 1 onion. मैं 4 लोगों के लिए बना रही हूँ. अगर आप ज़्यादा लोगों के लिए बना रहे हो तो क्वांटिटी अपने अकॉर्डिंग रखिएगा. 1 अनियन मैंने डाइस कर लिया है इन वेरी स्मॉल पीसेस. 1 लार्ज टमाटो and red bell pepper, and I have here coriander. Right now I didn't chop, later we chop this. ये pickled jalapenos है. यहाँ फ्रेश कभी कभी मिलती है, so that's why we are using the pickled one. If you have the fresh one available in market, if the jalapenos are not available or pickle is not available, you can use the green chili or red chili according to your taste. So next is we are using the corns, boiled one, and black beans. If black beans are not available, you can use any kind of small red beans, any kind of. This is also the half cup corns, half cup black beans. Also we use the avocado. We cut into the small dices, then we use in our salsa. Lemon juice and lemon zest we need, so we use this big lemon. Also we have 3 cloves of garlic for the salsa. It's give the good taste in the salsa. For the dressing we need dry herbs, Italian herbs. I have here dry basil. It's a half teaspoon. Dry rosemary, it's also half teaspoon. Dry thyme, it's also half teaspoon. Dry oregano, it's also half teaspoon. Black pepper according to taste, and red chili flakes also according to taste. And of course salt we are using it with this. For dressing we also need the mustard sauce and also extra virgin olive oil. Also need the vinegar. I'm using white wine vinegar. Any kind of vinegar is okay for the dressing. So of course for the dressing also need the honey. I'm using honey. If you want you can use the sugar instead of honey. So first we make the Italian dressing for the salsa. For this, first of all, extra virgin olive oil. I'm making for the 4 person. So हमने extra virgin olive oil 100 ml ले लिया है 1 कप में. Then we add the mustard sauce in that. It's a teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, and 30 ml मैंने इसमें विनेगर डाल लिया, वाइट विनेगर. एंड हाफ टी स्पून ओरिगेनो, थाइम हाफ टी स्पून रोजमेरी, ड्राइड बेसिल हाफ टी स्पून, and half teaspoon also red chili flakes in it, and half teaspoon मैंने अभी रेड ब्लैक पेपर डाली है, हाफ टी स्पून. सो हम इस सबको मिक्स कर लेंगे इंक्लूडिंग हनी. राइट नाउ मैंने इसमें 1 teaspoon हनी डाला है. लेटर वी चेक द टेस्ट, देन व्हाट वी नीड उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम थोड़ा सा और ऐड कर लेंगे अगर चाहिए होगा. एंड ऑल्सो salt. It's also half teaspoon right now. Later we'll check. So mix them. So now we first taste what we need more in this. Salt is less because हमें vegetables में डालना है उसे, तो इसलिए हमें salt और चाहिए. I think 1 teaspoon salt in this we need. And थोड़ा सा इसे और टैंगी बना लेते हैं. Add more chili flakes and black pepper. So our dressing is ready now. So let's move on our vegetables. So now we mix all the vegetables. Before mix the vegetables, we cut our vegetables. First of all, we cut the avocado. For the 4 people quantity, I cut half avocado is enough. I add in this onion, 1 diced onion, chopped onion, half bell pepper, 1 tomato goes in this, and corn kernels and black beans. मैं थोड़ी सी खा लेती हूँ, आई लाइक इट. मैंने ऑलरेडी कॉर्न्स और ब्लैक बीन्स को बॉईल कर दिया है. बिकॉज हॉलीडेज नॉट ऑलवेज कुक इन द किचन. इट्स वेरी इजी एंड नॉट टाइम कंज्यूमिंग, क्योंकि हॉलीडेज में इतना मन नहीं करता बार बार किचन में जाएं. सो roughly chop the coriander and put in this. And while we need for this lemon, so first we put the lemon zest in this because we need the tangy one. salsa spice होना चाहिए. So lemon zest is in this, and of course garlic, 3 cloves of garlic. So already add the garlic, cut the lemon. Before that we add little bit salt in this. It's a 1/4 teaspoon salt. And red paprika. If you don't have red paprika, add the red chili powder but not the spicy one. And squeeze the lemon, half lemon. अगर लेमन छोटा है तो आप पूरा लेमन भी स्क्वीज कर सकते हैं. And according to your salsa quantity, you can adjust the quantity of juice, lemon juice. हमारा लेमन बड़ा था तो इसलिए हमने हाफ ही डाला है. Add the Italian dressing on it. And mix it. And your salsa is ready. See how colorful it is. Looking beautiful?
Sure.
You wanna taste first? Yeah. So first I taste salt and pepper and tanginess. Then yeah, it's perfect. Salsa is ready. Open the bag of chips.
I think you mean nachos.
Nachos. Oh my god. this nachos and your appetizer is ready. If you don't have patience like me, you can go straight away from the bowl and eat. Yummy.